Hi, it's Linda from the Green Life Soil Company. People often ask what kind of mulches are good to use in their veggie garden, and usually we would like to recommend a straw type mulch because they break down within a season or so and add a valuable organic matter back to your garden, and they form that lovely light layer to help the water penetrate but protect the soil below. Now there's several different types of straw type mulches. This is a standard bale here, and this is Lucerne. It's a very high value straw that's often grown for stock feed, and we do the pea straw as well, and also oaten straw. Pea straw is a nice one to use. It's light, fluffy, etc. And it comes in a standard bale and also in a shredded bag. So it's convenient and nice and clean to pop in your car. We do the Lupin mulch, which is also shredded and partially composted. And the Lucerne actually comes in a pelletized form as well. So all of these make really good general purpose mulches for your veggie garden.